Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy and I'm so excited to open this box. This is it's not a subscription box, it's a themed box from the Rosey Life Planner. I think I've done one other unboxing from the Rosey Life Planner. I have two more on the way. I'm getting a little obsessed with her shop, but she is in Finland and the boxes are not inexpensive, but I feel like the quality, the uniqueness, the beauty of these boxes are absolutely worth it. So if you want to see what is inside this Boss Fashionista box, stay tuned. All right, so again, these are not subscriptions. They are themed, and she releases one maybe every month, maybe every 2 months. There's a limited quantity and they're pre-orders, so it takes a little bit of time before they come in. I think I've ordered a fall box and then a winter sort of Christmassy themed box, so I think I'll be getting those 1 month after the other, obviously for fall and winter, so maybe a month or two apart. I'm not sure, but I know I ordered this one quite some time ago. And enough about all that, let's get into it. So the theme is called Boss Fashionista, and got this real pretty rose sticker. It was packaged in another package for shipping protection, which is nice. You've got this cute sticker. Oh my gosh, I love that bag. I almost bought a Kate Spade bag. Now I wish I had. I almost bought it in pink. I ended up getting it in a kind of a caramel color for fall. And then you've got the pink Stanley, which I have, and now I totally want that bag. Okay. We get a journaling card. Look at that shop and the bow. Boss Fashionista, the Rosey Life Planner. Oh, and it's a postcard. It says, "Hi, lovely Anastasia." Again, Stacy is short for Anastasia. "Thank you for all your continued support and love. We are forever grateful. Love always, Linda." I think her husband's name is Hans. "The team and the fur babies." Very cute. Very pretty. Okay, let's see. So it looks like everything is in this tissue paper. So let's take the tissue paper out. I'll move the box. And let's just be surprised. I'm going to take things out one at a time. All right, so first thing looks like some die cut stickers. I have not seen this yet. She does not, she gives you like a storyboard of the design, if you will, the theme, but she doesn't actually show you what is in the box until after they start shipping out. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Look at the bow and the bag. This is going to be very luxurious, very chic, and it's probably about as close as I'm going to get to like a Louis Vuitton bag. Oh my gosh, look how cute. This is what I mean about these boxes. You do not see this just anywhere. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I want one of those planners, but I know that they are very pricey. Let's see. Oh, get out of here. This is a planner charm. It is a magnet. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Hopefully you can see that without the glare. Cute, cute, cute. All right, I feel some washi. I've got 3 of them. So I don't know what you call this pattern. Let's see if I can get it focused better. But that is gorgeous. Really like that. Let's see. I feel like this light is not helping the situation. Nope, not any better. All right. I think it's just having trouble focusing because it's so small, but that is very pretty. Let's see. This is kind of bulky. Oh my gosh, this is going to be the PET tape. So we'll have to open this up and swatch it out. Yeah, let's come back to this. Well, let's see. Oh gosh. Okay, good. I was gonna say I don't want to ruin the sticker. So we got that off pretty good. Oh yeah, that is super easy to open. All right, and then the arrows are pointing in that direction, so that was perfect. All right, here we go. Look how big these PET are. Oh my gosh, these girls. Oh my god, the desk. Oh, look at the little puppy and the plant. Oh my goodness. These are gorgeous, and look how much you get in the roll before it repeats. I think this is where it started. Yeah. So you get this much before you get a repeat. And I'm not sure. Okay, so they're not stickers, individual stickers, so you do have to cut these yourself. But they're quite large, and I don't think that's going to be a big problem. There's the Stanley. Oh my gosh, look at the pink mouse, computer mouse, the globe. Oh wow, these are gorgeous. My goodness. Okay, so I'm going to roll that back up, and we'll go ahead and grab this one. Looks like a little pouch. Ooh, it's an eyeglass case. Very nice. I did not realize that you get lifestyle items in here. So it has like a magnetic closure. Oh, that feels like faux leather. That is really pretty. I like that. Okay, let's see. We get some journaling cards. These are like 2x3. Boss Lady, or I'm sorry, Lady Boss. If you are sad, add more lipstick and attack. Coco Chanel. Everything looks and feels better with the bow on it. Just saying. I agree. Totally agree. Okay. A pin. see, it is a, I don't know, I can't tell what the point is. Maybe a 0.5. I think that says 0.5, but just like a clear acrylic pink. Not sure if the ink is black or not, but still very cute. Let's see. Ooh. Gratitude changes everything. Wow, so it's metal. So like a washi card cutter, but you can also like stick it in a pocket. That is really pretty. My goodness. Ooh, and then we get a charm clasp. That is so cute. It's very Emily in Paris is what it reminds me of. I really like that. Keep having to adjust my lights. It's starting to get troublesome. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the rest of this out. Pretty sure that's everything. Oh my goodness, it's a little pin, like safety pin, but they're glasses. Oh goodness, so cute. That is adorable. Okay, oh, and these are sticker sheets. I love her sticker sheets. They're like washi paper. They're so good. You've got a desk. You've got some fashion girls. These images, though, I have seen them before. These are in a Live Love Posh book. Let's see. Then there's this one. Oh yeah, absolutely. I mean, we know that some of these shops are not the original artist, that they actually buy their art from other artists. Oh, I love these with all the different bags. Oh my gosh, I want that purse so bad now. But this one's similar to the one I got, except it's this color. It's this bag in this color. Strong women empower each other. This one's cute. Love the Starbucks cup, the cup with the lipstick on it. Ooh, very chic. Love, love, love. I hope it's focusing. And then this is gorgeous. Boss Lady, the little perfume bottle. It's one big sticker. Oh, those are gorgeous. All right, and then we get a weekly pre-planner notepad. Oh, this is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. So priorities, notes, you get Monday through Sunday, to-do list, appointments, gratitude. Oh my gosh, absolutely gorgeous. I love that. All right, and now these are some dashboards, vellum dashboards. Let me see if I can get this opened without too much interference. So when you choose your bag or your box, you can indicate a planner size, and although A5 wide is not in the options, you can add a note if you have like a custom size, and they will try to accommodate that. And so this is A5 wide. I always get it unpunched in case I want to cut it down to like an A5, and they always use my name Anastasia, and so A instead of Stacy. I probably could put in the notes for them to use Stacy, but I'm perfectly fine with Anastasia because that's what I use at work. In order to be irreplaceable, one must always be different. Coco Chanel. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love that so much. It's so pretty. Oh, that desk is just amazing. And then you get the storefront Chanel. We stayed at the Venetian this past week for a work conference. There was a big conference being held there, and we walked the canal and the shops and did not walk into the stores because I do not have that kind of budget, but it was so cool to see all the luxurious purses and clothing and all those things. I don't recall, I think I did see Chanel, but man, yeah, I can only have the images in my planner, and that's totally okay. All right, and then I don't know, these, I guess it's paper. Let's see. Oh, it's acetate. Oh my gosh, look at the bows. Yeah, so it's acetate. So let's see. It's a little short. I'm trying to see if I can layer it. Yeah, it would be a little short to layer it, but that's okay. It's not terrible, but you could layer it on top of the vellum. And then this is a vellum sheet as well. It's kind of see-through. That's why you have the white page underneath it. That is really pretty. I love that. All right, so there we have it. There is the Boss Fashionista box from the Rosey Life Planner. She will usually list in the shop any extras that they have for these boxes. So if you see anything that you'd like to see or like to purchase individually, make sure you go visit her shop, and I'll put a link down in the description. But I cannot wait to put all these things in some way, shape, or form into my planners. I really love this charm. This is just so pretty. And this washi card. Those are probably like my two most favorite things, but everything is absolutely stunning. And make sure that you give her a follow on Instagram so that you can see when she's releasing the next box. She's also got some Advent boxes. I don't know if she has any left, but she was doing like a PET tape Advent and then just like a regular Advent box. So I have that coming as well. Like I said, I've become obsessed with her because she has such gorgeous, very unique, and just very high scale type looking planner supplies. So anyways, I hope you liked this video. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe so that you can see the next box that I receive, amongst other fun stationery and planner goodies. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.